planning an international adventure, wondering how to best prepare for your trip? Welcome to our video where we will explore the essential steps to take before your journey. We've compiled 15 indispensable tips to ensure you're well-equipped for your travels. From must-have documents to cultural insights, we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time voyager, our guide will help you navigate the many facets of international travel. But please first subscribe to the channel and leave a like for this video. First things first, let's talk about documents. The cornerstone of your international adventure lies in the realm of paperwork. It may not be the most thrilling part of travel prep, but it's undoubtedly essential. Think of your passport as your global ID. It's your ticket to cross borders and explore new horizons. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned return date. Next up, visas. These permission slips vary from country to country. Some grant them on arrival, while others require an application in advance, so be sure to do your homework. And let's not forget travel insurance. While we all hope for smooth sailing, it's wise to prepare for potential hiccups. Insurance can cover everything from lost luggage to unexpected medical expenses, providing peace of mind on the go. Finally, always keep both digital and physical copies of these documents. Backing up your paperwork can save you from unforeseen complications. Remember, without the right documents, your travel plans can come to a halt before they even start. Next up, let's discuss health preparations. On any journey, your health is paramount. So before you jet off, it's essential to research any necessary vaccinations for your destination. Some countries require specific immunizations, and others recommend them for certain regions or seasons. It's all about being prepared for any scenario. Now, let's talk about packing a medical kit. It's not just about band-aids and pain relievers, although those are important. Think about including items such as anti-diarrheal medication, antihistamines, and any specific medicines you might need for the region you're visiting. If you have any prescriptions, make sure to bring enough for the duration of your trip. Don't forget to check the regulations of your destination country regarding your medication. Lastly, get familiar with the healthcare system of the place you're visiting. Understanding where to go and what to do if you need medical help can save you precious time and stress. Taking care of your health is a priority, so don't overlook this step. Now, let's move on to cultural insights. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of your destination's culture to truly elevate your travel experience. Knowledge is power, and this couldn't be more applicable than when preparing for an international adventure. Understanding the local customs, laws, and etiquette is essential. Why, you ask? Picture this. You're in a bustling marketplace and you begin haggling, only to find out later that it's considered rude in that particular culture. Or perhaps you unknowingly violate a local law, turning your dream vacation into a stressful ordeal. Avoid these uncomfortable scenarios by doing your homework. Research about the destination's traditions, norms, and taboos. Learn a few phrases in the local language. It's not just about avoiding faux pas, it's about enriching your journey, connecting with locals, and gaining a deeper appreciation of the world's diverse cultures. Let's delve into travel essentials now. A well-packed bag can be a traveler's best friend, but what are the key items that should find a place in your suitcase? First and foremost, appropriate clothing. Check the weather forecast and cultural norms of your destination and pack accordingly. It's also wise to include a couple of versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. Next, you'll want to consider travel adapters. The type of plug-in use can vary from country to country, so an all-in-one travel adapter can be a lifesaver. Remember, your gadgets are only as good as their battery life. Speaking of gadgets, don't forget essentials like your phone, charger, and a camera to capture those unforgettable moments. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of packing light. Overpacking can lead to unnecessary stress and baggage fees. Pack smart, choose items that serve multiple purposes, and leave some room for souvenirs. Finally, let's discuss money matters. As we dive into this topic, remember that understanding the currency of your destination country is paramount. It's not just about knowing the exchange rate, it's about understanding the cost of living and what you can expect to pay for everyday items. This knowledge will help you budget accurately and avoid unpleasant surprises. Speaking of budgets, it's essential to have one. While spontaneity is part of the fun of traveling, knowing how much money you have to play with can keep you worry-free and focused on the adventure at hand. Now let's talk safety. Money belts, hidden pouches, and secure bags can protect your cash and cards. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid flashing large sums. Use ATMs in reputable places and be discreet when handling money. Being financially prepared can save you from many potential headaches during your trip. So plan wisely, spend responsibly, and enjoy your adventure to the fullest. So there you have it, our top 15 ways to best prepare for international travel. It's a big world out there, filled with new experiences waiting to be discovered. In the end, our journey around the world begins long before we step onto that plane. It starts with the planning, the anticipation, and the preparation. It's these steps that transform a trip into an unforgettable adventure. If you found these tips valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share your own travel preparations or any tips we may have missed in the comments below. Bon voyage and happy exploring!